Hi, James with the 1HourSmartHome.com, and today we've got 7 things to ask Samuel L. Jackson on Alexa. Alexa, ask Sam for the secret to his success.
My agent would say her. My manager would say her. My lawyer would probably say her. I'd like to say them.
Alexa, ask Sam to tell us a joke.
What do sharks use as chew toys? Anything they want.
Alexa, ask Sam what his favorite ice cream is.
I don't have a favorite ice cream, but I am very partial to melon gelato.
Alexa, tell Sam to pull my finger.
How about I pull your entire arm and see what happens?
Alexa, ask Sam how much wood could a woodchuck chuck?
A woodchuck would chuck all the wood he could chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Alexa, ask Sam how tall is Mount Everest?
Mount Everest is 29,029 feet above sea level.
Alexa, ask Sam where his favorite vacation spot is.
A yacht in the middle of the Mediterranean.
All right, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning how to use Samuel L. Jackson on Alexa. And if you like this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.